In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video into your Canva presentation. This quick trick is perfect for making your slides more interactive and engaging. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the video to appear. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll see a list of options. Look for the one that says Apps or Embed. This is the feature that allows you to bring in external content, like YouTube videos. Next, head over to YouTube and find the video you want to use. Copy the link from the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure it's the correct video link. Now go back to Canva and paste that link into the embed box. Canva will instantly generate a preview of the video so you can see how it will look inside your slide. Click Add to Design, and the video will drop right into your presentation. From here, you can move the video around, resize it, and position it just like any other Canva element. Once you're happy with how it looks, give it a quick test by clicking on it to make sure it plays correctly. And that's all there is to it. By embedding YouTube videos, you can add depth to your presentation, keep your audience engaged, and share dynamic content directly in